Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a fantastic recipe that's perfect for any occasion. A simple and delicious homemade potato salad. Whether you're planning a picnic, a barbecue, or just looking for a tasty side dish, this potato salad is sure to be a hit. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our easy potato salad. Potatoes, 4-5 medium-sized, peeled and diced. Hard-boiled eggs, 3, chopped. Celery, 2 stalks, finely chopped. Red onion, 1/2 cup, finely chopped. Dill pickles, 1/2 cup, finely chopped. Mayonnaise, 1 cup. Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons. Apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Salt and pepper to taste. Boiling potatoes. Start by peeling and dicing your potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Boil them until they are fork tender. Be sure not to overcook them. We want them firm enough to hold their shape in the salad. Prep other ingredients. While the potatoes are boiling, let's prep the other ingredients. Chop the celery, red onion, hard-boiled eggs, and dill pickles. This combination adds fantastic flavor and crunch to our potato salad. Step 3. Making the dressing. Now, let's whip up our creamy dressing. In a bowl, combine mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix it well until it's smooth and well incorporated. Step 4. Assembling the salad. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and let them cool slightly. In a large bowl, combine the potatoes, chopped eggs, celery, red onion, and pickles. Now, pour our delicious dressing over the ingredients and gently toss everything together. Make sure each potato is coated with that creamy goodness. Step 5. Refrigerate and serve. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Refrigerate the potato salad for at least an hour before serving. This allows all the flavors to mingle and intensify. And there you have it, a simple and delicious homemade potato salad that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tasty recipes. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks for joining me today. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!